Alright, so why DIY? Got a box from Amazon. Yeah, well, I don't want to show you all my shipping information, so I'm going to open up on the back side. But grab a tool, my tool here. Yeah. We'll do this one-handed because I haven't got around to printing a phone holder for doing videos, but I've just been thinking about it today, so that is going to be a project that I'm going to do. Of course, print it on my, I'll do it on my 3D printer. But what I'm thinking this should be is a couple thermocouplers, and yep, some thermocouplers. Who can have enough thermocouplers? Just regular K-type Focus thermocouplers. Got them off of Amazon. I think they were under $7 with Prime shipping. It's kind of nice. I love that Amazon. Yep. I'm going to probably open these and then I can get the video going again. And this should be a little motor. This should be the motor on top I just ordered. I don't know. Future projects. But let me open them and I'll show you.